Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this Hollywood eyes filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. You have 4 different color to choose from, and here you have the adjust bar. You can adjust the brightness of your eye color. Likewise, this is my favorite one. Likewise, choose the eye color you want. Then you can tap on the screen to change the presets. Likewise, okay, to get this effect you can visit the creator profile. Johnny August is the creator of this filter. You can follow him to unlock all his filter to your camera tray. He's having some awesome filter. Even he's having the handsome speedward. So check in his filter gallery, and this is the filter Hollywood eyes. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray, and you can tap on try to try the filter. Okay, and that's it. And if you are not getting the filter here, let me go back first. Okay, if you are not getting the filter here, then you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. And likewise also you can get this effect on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.